everyone, my name is Arjun and welcome back to another recipe. Are you ever in a sticky situation where you want to have a pizza but don't want to order and don't want to make a lot of preparations? Well, here I have a perfect recipe for you. Today we'll be making mug pizza in the microwave. So let's get into it. I'll start by adding all-purpose flour. Next goes in the whole wheat flour. Into this I'll add in baking powder and baking soda and a pinch of salt. Now for the wet ingredients, I'll add in milk and finally some olive oil. Now that we have a dough-like consistency, I'll add on some pizza pasta sauce. Now for some cheese. Now for the toppings. You can add any toppings of your choice. I will be adding onion, capsicum and basil. You can use any vegetables. I'll sprinkle some oregano and I'll microwave it for 1 minute. Hear that? It is done! Oh my god, it looks unbelievably good! Let's give it a try! This is super tasty! Do give it a try. Even though it just took a few minutes to make, it came out awesome. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you!